Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Naughty Real Art. Myself Poonam Sharma. Can we make a landscape by using double shade of watercolors? Then my answer is absolutely yes. Today's video of mine is specially on this topic which I will explain you orally and practically. So watch this video carefully without skipping it. So let us start the video now. Here I have taken cartridge sheet of A4 size. With the help of our ruler, we will now draw a horizontal line on our sheet. While drawing the line, keep in mind that we have to keep the upper part of the sheet more and keep the lower part less. On this horizontal line, we have to draw some vertical line like this. To make a landscape, we don't have to do anything more. All this pencil drawing is enough to make a landscape. Now here take clean water in a bowl and take your color in your color palette. Here I am using 4 number flat brush and I am using our first shade, that is Prussian blue color. Now we have to add too much water in the color and dilute it completely. By using the diluted color, now we will make the sky of our landscape. We have to use the slant direction here as I'm showing you. Our sheet is too much wet, so let it dry for some time. Now by adding black color in the blue color, make the color a little dark and taking the dots in this way for making trees like this. work at the bottom part of the sheet for showing trees shadow in the water. Water on our paper like this for showing water for our landscape. After taking the dark color in the brush, now we will show a little land in our landscape in this way. By using round brush of 0 number, now we will show some flying birds here in the sky like this. Now, by using this brush, we will make some thorny twigs on the land for our landscape. Finally, our landscape is completed, which we have made by using double shade of watercolors. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please like it and share it as much as possible with your friends and relatives. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and press the notification bell to get more updates. If you want a special video on a particular subject, then please comment me on comment section box. Thanks for watching the video.